So now we move to method of data collection. So for the method of data collection, you simply just cannot state it was done, say, via a questionnaire. That's a one sentence and expect to get you 2 marks. No. Actually, you must provide specific details about it. Let's say, for example, a questionnaire was given to 30 students. It's not sufficient to gain marks, as we have on the screen. You probably get 1 mark for that. But if you have a questionnaire, give us some details. Put when was the question given? Who were the recipients of the questionnaire? How long did it take? What timeline? Give us specifics so that we know, hey, this is an actual questionnaire that was conducted, and this is where it took place, when it took place, these are the participants, how big was the sample size, how did they choose the sample size, different things like that. Some more information is always, I shouldn't say always, but more information would be nice. It makes a very complete project. So you don't have to put everything, but I would say at least give about 2 or 3 of these points so that your method of data collection doesn't look like a 1 line or a 2 line. 2 lines. Yeah. Some things to note: the sample size. If your sample size is too small, if you are taking the heights, let's just say, of students in Form 5, and you take 5 heights, and your Form 5 class has 100 people, that's not a good sample size, right? You need to have more in the sample. And then some individuals put things that kind of gives you the idea that they're making it up. Let's just say 300 students in Form 5, and they took the heights of all 300. I'm not so sure if there's any secondary school that has a Form 5 class with 300 students. So then that starts to doubt the validity of the data. And then that goes directly back to the rubric where the data is accurate. That can't be accurate. So moving on. Just some things for higher purchase here, because this is something that we get asked a lot in common here. So things you can include for higher purchase: when the data was collected, the names of the stores that were collected, which part of the island, why you all choose to have it, and different things, just different things.